Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just first open the first main box. Here we have two boxes together. Let's just open the first one, and here we can find the two paper boxes. Here is the just original HUAWEI supercharger brick. Also we can see here the SIM eject tool, and let's just open this second box. And here we can find some paperwork, the warranty card, the quick start guide, the safety guides, and also the USB Type-C cable. Also we have here this second box with the HUAWEI Smart Keypad. Let's just open it. And inside of this box you can see the HUAWEI keypad. Also here we can find some just paperwork about the guides how to use this keyboard, how to set up. So this quick start guide, and we can see the look of this keyboard. We can use it as the protective case. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.